Three triangles are drawn within a grid of four identical rectangles. Okay, so 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 3 triangle, a grid of 4 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. What fraction of the grid is shaded? Let's just go part by part. We talk about this one first. Now, do you realize that, okay, this is the logic. The logic is this. If one side of the triangle is exactly the same length as one side of the rectangle, and the top of the triangle is touching the other side, must be touching. Once it's touching and then one of the length is the same, then the triangle, the area, is half of the rectangle. This is the logic behind. I do not know whether the teacher taught you, but at least right now I'm going to remind you. I repeat myself. If the base of the triangle, which is here, is the exact same length as one of the side of the rectangle, that together with one side of the triangle is touching the other side, the opposite side, right? No matter where it is, whether it's touching here, touching here, touching here, touching here, does not matter. As long as it touches, right, then this triangle, the area, will be half of the rectangle. Do not forget that. Now, using the same logic, do you see that this triangle, one of the base, is the exact same length as this rectangle? Okay, and then the tip of the triangle is touching one side of the rectangle, the opposite side. So therefore, this triangle is also half of this rectangle. Using the same logic again, this triangle, one of the side of the triangle is the exact same length as this rectangle, and the top of it is touching the opposite side of the rectangle. Therefore, this triangle is half of this rectangle. Okay, do not forget this logic. It's very, very, very useful for you. Therefore, if this triangle is half of this rectangle, and this triangle is half of this rectangle, and this triangle is half of this rectangle, so what fraction of the grid is shaded? Isn't it just half? Okay, so the answer will be 3. Do not forget about this logic that I've just taught you. It will be very, very useful for you. Okay, done. This is called triangle theory. Alright, done.